Welcome to this demo. In this session, I'll walk you through a complete end-to-end cycle from manufacturing a finished product, purchasing raw materials, checking inventory and journal entries to finally fulfilling a sale order. Okay, so our product for this demo will be a pair of a metal table. We will begin with the zero stock for both the finished product and raw materials, and we'll see how the system handles make to order, manufacturing, and automate raw materials procurement. And this demo will help us understand how inventory levels are updated, how manufacturing operations are carried out, and how financial entries are automatically recorded at each stage. So let's start by setting up the product and raw material. So let's begin by looking at the bill of material. So open manufacturing module and see the bill of material as metal table. So firstly, I'll show you the zero on and quantity we have and the routes as manufacturer, okay, because it's a main product, okay. And this all are the components. See the zero on and quantity and inventory as MDO and buy. It's the raw material, so we want to buy this. Zero on quantity. The screw for the same is the internal length of the product. Can simply go from bill of materials, okay. Okay, this all are components, quantities. Go to operation button. Now you can see the operation as cutting, welding legs, final assembly. Operations work center is cutting station, welding work center, assemble work center, all these things, okay. So this is how you can create the bill of material. Each operation is linked to a different work center to simulate real shop floor activity, okay. Now that our BOM is ready, let's create a manufacturing order for metal table. Okay, so go to operation button and click on manufacturing order and create new manufacturing order. Add metal table. So the components are automatically come and the operation, work center, product, quantity, everything is come here. And product is not available. So confirm the manufacturing order. You can see the 3 purchase button here. Okay, you can save this ammo and now you can open the first raw material and confirm the order and receive the products and validate it. Okay, after that you can confirm the order, receive the products and validate it. Third raw material, confirm the order, receive the products and validate it. So this is how you can add the raw materials. Okay, after that you can check the inventory module. Okay, the stocks are updated or not, so simply go to reporting session and can see the stock. Duplicate the step and go to manufacturing module operation. Okay, so first is metal sheet, so check metal sheet. So one and quantity is 2, say okay. After that table leg, okay, quantity is 4 is updated. So table leg is quantity is 4. So consumed available, all the quantities available. Now check the screw. So 16 screw is available here. Okay, so this is how you can manufacture like this. After that you can start the manufacturing order. Go to work orders and start the manufacturing process. Okay, you can manage this in shop floor also. Okay. You can see the real duration, expected duration, everything. Okay, you can do this in shop floor also. Go to smart button and can do like this. Simply, you need to complete quality check using the shop floor before marking work order as done. So simply go to quality module and check. Go to quality check button. Go to the metal table black. So simply click on pass button. So quality check is pass and simply click on close production. So this is how you can do this. The status is finished. Okay. You can see the transfers. Okay, so this is how you can create the manufacturing order. Now let's create a sell order for 5 units of metal table. We'll confirm the SO and move forward to the delivery. Okay, so this is the open the sales module and create a new quotation. Customer as can add a customer as Amy Watson. Okay, you can change, you can select the price list as default. Okay, and add the product as metal table. You can select the color. You can, if you add a quantities, you can simply do that and let's confirm it. Okay, you can save it manually and click on confirm button or preview it. Okay, you can simply confirm it. So it's going to seal order. Then click on delivery button and your metal table black is available now. Okay, so validate it. It's loading. Okay, after that delivery is done. You can simply create an invoice. Click on create draft button. Okay, and confirm it. So click on pay button and pay for this product. Okay, payment, so it's in payment state. If you want to print invoice, so simply click on print button and your invoice is here. You can see the invoice number, date, due date, delivery date, description, quantity, unit price, taxes, amount, everything. Okay, with signature. Okay, so this is how you can create a sale order. You validate the delivery and generate a customer invoice. The product is not shipped and the accounting entries are automatically created. So check accounting entries. So go to accounting module and click on accounting tab and see the journal entries of this product. Okay, so metal table black. So this is how the journal entries are automatically generated. Okay. After that, you can see the final inventory check. Product is deducted or not. Okay, so go to reporting session, click on stock button and what we check metal table, right? Metal table black. Okay, so you can see the quantity of metal table black. It's black color and zero foreign quantity because we sell this product. Okay, so this is how you can manage on end-to-end manufacturing process starting from the BOM to production to sales. Each step update inventory, trigger purchase and post accounting entries automatically. It gives you real-time control and full visibility into operation and finance. Okay, thank you for watching.